Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see the question. It is saying that construct a minimal DFA which contains set of all strings over a comma b, that is w belongs to any combination of a comma b, where number of a should be greater than 2. Number of a in w should be greater than equal to 2. It should be either equal to 2 or it can be even greater than 2. So here the language is continuing. Any number of a, equal number of 2 is allowed, any number of a is allowed. Now before getting a, I can have any number of b, a, then we can have any number of b, then any number of a. Okay. Only one condition we have to check, that whether I am having number of a is whether greater than 2 or not. Okay, if it is either 2 or greater than 2, that's fine. So whether before getting b, if I am having 2a, fine, more than 2a, like this, a, ba also belongs to this language, bbb, aa, ba belongs to this language. Okay. So initial state, we will get initial state. This state now indicating that number of a is now 0. So it can have, so now for every state I have to give transition for every input alphabet. Now if we get a, now number of a will become 1. Now before getting first I can have any number of b. In any number of b, the number of, if any number, in any number of b, see if I will write any number of b, in any number of b, number of a is 0. So it will be remain here. So for any number of b, it will remain in QGL only, because this state is indicating that number of a is 0. And n number of b's, n number, if you write n number of b's, a is 0. So I will keep a loop. Now I got 1. Now if you will again get a, number of a is now 2. Accept it. Number of a is now 2. Now before getting second a, you can have in between any number of b. So we will keep a loop of b. See, because here I am counting number of a, that's why I am keeping a loop of b. Okay. Now I reach Q2, that is a final state. Now it can have now any number of b. Fine, then also it is having number of a is 2. So I will keep a loop of b. Now if I again get a, number of a will become greater than 2. Okay. So here condition is saying if it is greater than 2 also, then also you should accept it. So I will keep a loop of a also. So it is saying that number of a is now greater than equal to 2. You got 2a, accept it. After that again you are getting it. Because now condition is saying it can even be greater. There in previous example it was saying that it should be equal to. But it's saying it can be greater than also. Equal and greater. So equal then greater. So no need to create a date state. Okay. So after reaching this state, if you are getting anything, any combination of a and b, you will accept it.